How much you buy it?
200, 300 rupees. British and but you get them for like 50 rupees, you know, like you try.
But yeah, but more or less I don't even know the price. But they sell it like 200, 300.
Yeah, that's good. That's the right price. That's good price.
I feel like I've got a mental block as I'm setting off. I rep a lot of posses back in Gloucester, that's top notch when I rock this. I'm paying commodities, coming through, bringing messages and morals. These paragraphs I'm penning, my prose that I'm pushing. Got a lot of inclusions in the fucking push when we're up with a session. Come bring people together, no messages get compounded when astounding. Bringing the rounds in, shake it around. We got chocolate balls for all you to be yamming. Come through when I'm jamming. Right, need to let go, let this flow from my soul, bring the next flow. Pen pros when I bring a session, yo. We rock heavy with the best and the clever. Come through with the sickest guitarist. I never land. What do you say? It doesn't matter what your age or your race is. That when we come together, we keep it passionate. I've had enough of these fussy chums bringing anger to circles. You don't deserve this life that you're living. Strive for a million of a spliff with a ganja. Smoke way through when we're smoking the baddest blokes inside. Pass it on to Nico, bring this shit down to the disco with the next flow. Man don't know what we come with the pros, bring it bang like bow.
Birds of a feather flock together, love me brother, love me brother. Birds of a feather flock together, love me brother, love me sister. Birds of a feather flock together, love me brother, love me sister. Birds of a feather flock together, so fly, fly.
Yeah, man.
Fly, fly.
I'll keep it going all night. I'll keep that fire burning bright. Burning bright, yeah. Just bring it over if you want to. Cause we gon' rock this, and I'ma rock you.
Rocking your socks up. Don't stop this. Feather. Together, whatever the weather, I'm penning with the feathers, the cheddars. Come through, rock this, slow it down, come with the top notch. When we're rocking the circle, it brings forth pictures of swimming through a jungle. I like funked up folk with a rasp full of jungle. It don't matter what I say though, come with the brain flows. You don't know what I say when I say slow. It's like foreigners can understand. Foreign lands don't even matter, it's subjective. Objective's the point of view that you should choose. I cruise with the smoothies, rude with the boots and the boxing. You can't stop this new thing, we're jamming the offspring.
Yes.